Grandma, you need to get back in the home now. Grandma, I'm gonna cry. Whip it. You can't use that here. Well, I want to bloody beat Grandma because she's been... Grandma moved. Grandma moved. You know that point where you just, you're like, you're meant to turn around, but it's like, shall I? Well, that's one of these points. Fuck. Oh, there's nothing there. Okay. So Grandma hung herself. Fucking hell. Well, this game's definitely got 5 stars for scary. Now she's looking at me. A ring of roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Right, this game is not good. It's fucking scary.